Hi my dear students, good morning, welcome back to our English class. So my dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about Pongal. Pongal is nothing but Sankranti festival. So how many days we are going to celebrate Pongal? For 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, how many days? For 4 days. When do we celebrate Pongal festival? Yes, tell me anyone? Yes, when sun is moving from north to south, Suryayanam to Dakshinayanam. So when the sun is moving north to south direction, then Pongal will be celebrated. In which month? Yes, in the month of January from 12th to 15th, the days we are going to celebrate the festival Pongal, isn't it? Yes. So in the yesterday class we have discussed that the first day of the Pongal festival. What is the first day of Pongal here? Yes, what is the first day of Pongal? Bhogi. What is the first day of Pongal? Bhogi. So in the Bhogi time, what the delicious food the people will cook? Yes, the boiling rice with adding of milk, isn't it? Yes. So when the festival is starting, what the people will do? The two important things. They will wash their houses and they will wear a new clothes. What women will wear and what about the men's? Women's wear lehenga like a half saree, and what about the boys? They will wear a lungi with a shirt. So this is the outfit of their Pongal festival. So today, in today's class, we shall discuss about day 2, day 3 and day 4. Okay, my dear students, take your textbooks and open page number 38. Yes, see, look at me. Keep the finger where I am reading. Okay. Yes. So the second day is Surya Pongal or Peram Pongal. So what is the second day called here? For the first day we call Bhogi. What is the second day? Tell me anyone? Yes, the second day is Surya Pongal or Peram Pongal. It is the most important day and people worship. So this is a very important day. The second day of Pongal is very important and they will worship to the God. The sun god and his consorts Chaya and Saumya. So to whom they will worship? To the god Surya and the sun god and his consorts Chaya and Saumya. People have an oil massage and wear new clothes on this day. So what the people will do on this day, on the second day of Pongal, they will take a oil massage and they will wear a new clothes. So on the third day of the festival known as Mattu Pongal. So what is the third day? Mattu Pongal. The farm animals like cattle are worshipped. So in the third day, to whom they will worship? To the cattle. So what is the name of the third day of Pongal? Mattu Pongal. Then cattle are bathed and dressed beautifully and given a Pongal. So they will give the bath to a cattle and they will also wear a new clothes to them. And cattle are bathed and dressed beautifully and given Pongal. The fourth day is Thiruvelluvar day. What is the fourth day? Thiruvelluvar day or Kannu Pongal. So what is the fourth day of Pongal? Kannu Pongal. People visit friends and relatives. So on the fourth day of the Pongal, the people will visit to their friends and family members. Women of the house perform puja for the prosperity of their brothers. So what the women will do here? They will take a blessings of their brothers. Many people live cooked rice on banana leaves for birds to eat on this day. So what the people will do on this day? They will put some rice on the banana leaf and they will leave for birds to eat. Then on this occasion, farmers pay their respects to the rain, the sun and the farm animals, all of which are essential for any crop. So what happened? The farmers will give respect to the gods and also for their crops. And Also, since paddy and other crops depends on good rain and Tamil Nadu does not have many perennial water sources, rain and sun gods are invoked. Pongal is also known as Tamizar Tirunal, meaning the festival of Tamils. So this is the festival of Tamil Nadu people. This is a festival related to Tamil here. Then Thai Pirandal Vazi Pirakum, which means birth of the Thai month will pay way for new opportunities, is a common saying during Pongal. So this is the lesson. So now tell me, have you understood the lesson? Yes. How many days we are going to celebrate the festival Pongal? For the 4 days. What is the first day of the festival is called Bhogi. What is the second day? Mettu. So in this way for 4 days Pongal is going to celebrate, and the 4th day is very important day for them. Why? Because they will respect to the crops and also they will respect to the gods, fields and cattle, etc. So on the second day of the festival, what they will do? They will take a oil massage and they will wear a new clothes, isn't it? Yes. So now tell me, on the occasions, what types of clothes do the women and men are wearing here? Yes, the women will wear lehenga like a half saree model, and the men are like lungi and shirts. So this is a very important lesson. And the Pongal is related to which state? Yes, this Pongal is totally related to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu people will celebrate it very, in what way? Yes, they will celebrate it very grandly because this is a festival related to Tamil Nadu people. At the end of the day, they will provide the food to the birds. In what way? They will keep some white rice on the banana leaves and they will provide to the birds. So this is a lesson, and in the next class we shall see the grammar bits and vocabulary. Okay my dear students, now you have to read the lesson, and if you are having any doubts, just underline the words and copy down your two notebooks. We shall meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye.